Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to change text fonts in CapCut template. Now let's begin. Right now I'm on my mobile device, so let's open CapCut app and go to the templates tab. Simply select any template. Right here I have a template I'm going to select. Now I'm going to use this template. Now you can see there are lots of fonts here. Simply click on any font you wish. When I clicked on that font, on the bottom bar some settings popped up like edit, style, template, fonts, etc. I'm simply going to click on edit. Well, as you can see, there are lots of templates, styles, fonts and alignments that I can choose from. Let's select this one or this one. It's completely up to you. You can change the different styles as well. You can choose different templates. And if you are not satisfied with the text, simply click on it. You can edit it as well. Let us select this edit button. Now you can type whatever you wish here. And that's about it guys. That's how you change text fonts in CapCut template. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.